we've got some exciting news for you coming up very soon, because what we're looking to do is introduce a one-day workshop for equity release. As you know, you need to pass the exam in order for you to get permission. Then your network, whoever, needs to give you permission to do that. See, the problem that a lot of brokers have got, like yourselves, is you want to diversify. You've got clients who are talking about, you know, the retirement side, the pension possibly. They've got a house and they've got a pension pot. They're wanting to borrow some money maybe into retirement. And the first step for you is to get this exam out of the way. They call it ER1 or SARA. That's the IBF people do that one. But you may be a very busy practicing mortgage broker, mortgage advisor, maybe even a financial advisor, and you're lacking time to do any study. You haven't done an exam for a while, and you don't really look forward to it. And you don't know what you don't know, because the syllabus itself is fairly wide, but there's a lot in there that you already do know, but you don't know what you don't know. So what we've done is we've created a one-day workshop. We put this together back in 2019. We've been running it for a number of insurance companies as a white label event. And we've probably run about 50, 60 of these one-day workshops. But what we've done in this one-day workshop, which is a clever thing, I think, is we've made it very interactive, first of all. So it's online, so you don't have to go to a classroom. It's online. It's usually about 10 people, which is a great number. It's very, very interactive, you know, with case studies, quizzes, activities, lots of things going on. You will not be narrated to with a PowerPoint deck, I promise you that. So for the full day, it's a 9:30 till 4, we'll keep you as involved as possible. Many people have said, you know, how refreshing it is to be fully involved during the day. So that's one thing we're going to do for you, because you're busy people. The second thing is, we only teach you stuff on the one-day workshop that you probably don't know, because you don't know what you don't know. You know a lot already on the syllabus, and a lot of you will be able to take the exam, get very close to a pass mark without you doing any reading at all. But we'll teach you the things that you don't know, or you haven't talked about or studied for years, which are things that we know that brokers and mortgage advisors and financial advisors don't practice very often. So we're quite keen on that. So we teach you stuff just to remind you of what you know. So at the end of the one-day workshop, you should be in a position to be able to take the exam the following day. And people have. People have taken it the following week. Some people are a little bit more cautious, aren't they? They've had a weekend revise, or they take it the following day, and they are passing because of what we've taught them. It's fresh in their mind from the workshop. Now, we've also got some bonuses for you. So we give you access to our boot camp for a couple of months as well. So if you do want to have a week, maybe you're watching a few videos, etc., on some topics, you can do. Our boot camp, by the way, is a full structured covering all the areas of the syllabus for you, with videos like me talking with a whiteboard and stuff like that. So a lot of people like that. In the boot camp, we give you access to a revision guide, and a lot of people like the revision guide. This is I think it's 180 pages or something. You flick through it, it's full of bullets and graphs and tables. It's all written in a different way to the textbook, and people love reading that because it catches all the information they need. And there's a test pack as well. We've got a lot of tests for you, so they come in PDF in the boot camp. So you get that as well as part of the deal. So we're quite looking forward to it. So it's coming up in end of February. So we'll let you know the dates if you're on our database. If you're not on our database, get on it. You know, sign up for one of our database somewhere along the line, or just contact me and get you on there. We'll let you know the dates as well. So you do need to think about booking as soon as possible. Because it's a one-day workshop, and it'll be a good investment for you. You'll get your equity release exam out of the way, and then you can take a look at the equity release marketplace, which is brilliant. You know, RIOs and lifetime mortgages and all the things that make a difference, because it's a massive marketplace. It's one thing you really should be doing this year. While things are a little bit quiet, you might want to think about doing that. So I just wanted to let you know about that.